These images have all been created in Flux Dev, and the full prompt and settings I use for these are in the description box below. Just to give you a few points on what I did for this prompt specifically, one of the key things I wanted was to have the tiger's eyes staring at the viewer, so that was specified in order to give almost a slightly uncomfortable feeling when the tiger shot gets very close, like in this next image here. Like this one, there's a really almost uncomfortable feeling you get from being this close, staring into the eyes of a tiger that most of us would never be able to achieve in real life. Another element I wanted to do is to have the light source, so in this case the setting sun, behind the tiger to give like a backlit effect to the fur and also a rim light, as you can see around the edges here, that just help to separate it from the background. And one last tip I have is I put the phrase dynamic pose at the end of the prompt. I just tagged it on at the end, and that just helps to ensure you get a bit more variety between the generations and it doesn't look too samey and stale.